everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make samosas at home. I hope you will give it a try. For samosas, you need some boiled potato, oil, salt, plain flour, garlic, onion. So first we are going to make flour dough for samosas. I'm going to take 500 grams. Mix some salt, okay, not too much, just to give some flavor. And then you are going to add some oil, and then you are going to mix. You have to add water. You can see my dough is ready. It's not sticking in the pan. So I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes while I'm making my stuffing to fill in samosas. I'm going to mash these potatoes first. I'm putting some cumin seed here. If you don't have cumin seed, it's still okay. Garlic. When onion is brown, then I'm going to add my potatoes here. I like to add some spices, so I'm going to add some chili here. And I'm going to add salt. These cashews are optional. If you have any nut allergy or if you don't like it, please don't put it. And I like some spices. Now you can see my potato is nicely done. Alright, I have transferred this in a bowl and I'm going to let this cool down for 10 minutes. My samosas are ready. You can choose 3 options. You can bake, you can half bake and fry, or you can just fry. I'm choosing first to bake. I have chosen air fryer. You can also choose normal oven. Please set at 200 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put that for 7 minutes, but I will keep checking until it becomes golden brown. So this one is half baked. which I'm going to fry now.
Samosa, enjoy this. Here are some samosas. Enjoy this. Happy holidays.